Ultimately, meditation is about getting in touch with the deeper essence of who you are and what you're experiencing right now in this body. But we have so many thoughts and emotions usually that we attend to those instead of to some other level of awareness where there's actually a lot of intelligence in this body and in these feelings if we're not too busy in our head.
When our mind is focused on the future, then it is natural that we have anxiety. And when our mind stays too much on the past, then we will have lots of regret. But there is no negative emotions when you stay in the here and the now.
When we have so much here from stimulation, from thinking, from trauma, we can't get to that 0 point. We can't get to that no thinking. So all of our meditations are guiding you to connect deeper inside so that you hit that place of equilibrium, complete quietness and connection.
It is how can I go quiet my thoughts, suppress that addiction to external stimulation and information. If we can just train ourselves to connect to that beautiful rhythm of life we call breath, then we can be who we really are meant to be.